There you go. Harvesting some tomatoes for our skewers. I already harvested some this morning. I'm going to make a skewered ahi tuna. It's tomatoes, the ones that are ready. More on this side. These are very pretty tomatoes. Look, I'm not sure if I'm going to put them on the skewer or probably have them in the salad since they are pretty. Look at this. Tomatoes is lava flow. This is ready too. These are yummy. This one too. This one. This one. And then this one. This one. This is nectarine. This is ready. This is ready too. Look at that. This is nectarine. Just like do that. I'll harvest the rest tomorrow since we have a lot of food today. Maybe some grapes. The grapes will be for the salad. Makes the salad colorful with the grapes. So whatever is ready. Got a lot that are ready actually. Maybe I'll just pick a bunch. Look at those. Those two over there. Okay. And I'm preparing a backyard dinner and these are my harvest. So tomatoes, nectarine, tomatoes, and then grapes. And then these are the grapes from this morning. And so it is going to be a really quick dinner to prepare. I'm just going to grill or like put on a skewer like some ahi tuna and then grill. And then in between I'm going to put tomatoes and that's it. And then we have watermelon and I'm going to eat these grapes, and then we have baguette, and I think that's it. So come join me for like as I prepare this like simple backyard dinner. A huge watermelon. So we like before we prepare the fish. It's not really like I think like seasonal like watermelon. It's still like really like super early summer. But let's try if this tastes good or sour. It's sweet. It's really sweet now. If Joshua sees this, he'll be eating this before dinner time. So I'm trying to hide this actually. I actually hid this earlier because then he would like force me to open. So I have the ahi tuna here. It's husband got this from the market this morning. So this is the ahi tuna. Oh, like looks like watermelon. I'm just slicing this into cubes and then putting them on the skewer. So like that. I'm not sure if we need the other one. Probably. We can eat this later while we're watching like TV shows. Oh, by the way, we love Blacklist. But Blacklist is done for the season. So just like skewer like that, and then put tomato in between, like that. Love seafood. Oops. Maybe we can do this into, can slice this into 4. Yummy barbecue, seafood barbecue. There you go. See? Would be nice if there is like green tomato in between. I think I'm running low on tomatoes. Oops. Okay, I'll continue doing this and then see you in a little bit. Let's season this tuna and then cook. I have this like 3 extra. Oh, we just need to put this here on the grill. And then I have like 3 extra, like 4 and a tiny piece pieces. This I just need to toast the bread. This is baguettes. Just like store-bought baguettes. I don't have time to bake. Oops. These are really good too. Next time I'm going to make this with mozzarella and then tomato and then basil. Love this recipe too for baguette. So here you go. I just need to toast this. Look at the skewers now. I flipped some of them. Smells so good. Looks very yummy and smells very yummy too. And then I'm going to make salad and that's it. Yummy. But I'm sure we're just going to end up eating a lot of watermelon. That's what we're craving for. I think this should be good. I don't want to overcook it. Oh, I need another plate. I'm going to eat the crumbs. Oh, yum yum. This one. Very yummy. Oh, it's hot. Let's toast this. Oh, that's very yummy. Let's toast this bread. I'm just using the toaster. There you go. Told you this is very easy to prepare. Now I need to prepare outside. I'll just add these tomatoes and the salad. This is that's like super rough. This is lava flow, orange tomatoes. And then this one is not super light, but it's fine. This is also lava flow. And then this is I think early girl. And then this is kumquat. And then Snow White Ivory, my favorite. And then let's just add some grapes on top. Like that. So look at that. So this is our salad. I am making a margarita. I have lemons, so I don't have limes, so I'm just putting like lemon here. And then the salt on the rim. Margarita is refreshing. And then ice. Are you ready to eat, Josh?
Yes, I am.
Okay, we got it. Okay, we're eating time.
So this is a golden tuna dinner. We have watermelon, bread, the salad, and ahi tuna.
Yes. So our backyard dinner. Smile, Josh.
Hi.
Which one would you eat first?
I will eat the watermelon.
Watermelon. I know that. There you go. Summer harvest is always very colorful.